Holy fuck. Leave it coin?
Hold it, yeah. Well, I didn't check Buddy's welds on that, and apparently it's stronger than the... Okay. Well, that didn't last long. Got powers, you got powers, you'll go. Okay, Cody said something broke off over here.
Yeah, down there.
Probably a piece of metal or something. Oh yeah, little rusty square tubing. Oh. That's good. Yeah, Buddy's weld didn't hold up very good there. Wait, what's this? What is this? On top of there? Oh yeah. No penetration. No penetration. Those other two legs. Clean them up. Give them a good weld, proper weld. Well, back to the old drawing board. Maybe we'll see if this guy goes for, still works pretty good anyway. So maybe we'll try that out. What the fuck? Well, that go-kart rip didn't last very long, but engine's good now. Now we got new problems. Even in here though, it's like 30 degrees out plus humid. And here, like 40, if not more. It's hot, so I don't know if we're doing this right away today. Maybe wait. I got next couple of days off here, the weekend. Try to bring that little bastard out for a little rip. I think it's too hot. Didn't want to keep her going. Any other times, perfect, no problems. Now we gotta deal with this. But to fix this, I think I'm just gonna go buy a new 1-inch square tubing. I'll just match that up properly, ground these down, re-weld them. I think just make sure, take that, redo that. But thanks for tuning into another video. If you like that, hit thumbs up. Hopefully we can get the old cart fixed there, and I can break it again in some different way, probably, because that's what's going to happen. That's what I do. So see you in the next one.